Now, if you want to promote your solo ad website on Facebook using paid traffic, it is actually one of the best sources you can use. But there's a whole lot of things you need to understand. First of all, you can't really advertise any sort of make money type things on Facebook. They won't approve your ad. Plus, your ad needs to just be primarily image based with very few words. If you have more than 25% of your screen of your ad taken up in words, they're going to deny it because you're going to be violating their terms of service. What I actually like to do is promote videos. So I'll post a video to my Facebook group. You want to create a Facebook group. I'll post a YouTube video and I'll create a custom thumbnail like this. And the custom thumbnail is the perfect same size as a YouTube ad should be. It will proportion it properly to fit the advertising scheme. And as long as I'm not like saying make money with solo ads or anything stupid like that, I'll be able to promote it with great success. I'm going to scroll up here and show you like this one right here. I wouldn't be able to promote that. There's too many words. This one right here, which is actually a pretty good video. You see I had already just posting it on my thing. I've had 22 people watch it and 7 engagements. Engagement is what you're really after. That's when someone actually clicked that. If I boosted this, there's over 50% of the image on the thumbnail from the YouTube video is going to be words, so it's not going to be approved. So I don't, obviously can't boost it, which is too bad because it seems to be a pretty good post. So what I'll do is make a new video, put a different thumbnail, and just make it, how to generate leads, something like that. It will get quite a bit of interest, which is something I discovered. But you see all these other things, they're basically not ads I can run because if it's just a picture, then you can. And that's what I like to do is post a image into my Facebook group and then come along and boost it. And if you boost, you'll see, let me just click boost here and see what happens. I don't really want to boost this particular one, but what it's going to do is going to find people that are interested in the same things that are in this group, and the people likely to buy from you for sales. $15 a day is what I would spend. And the number of days be 5 days, be $75. No, I think what I want to do is run it for $10 a day for 5 days. It's $50. So if I run that, let's say it's going to run $2 per day. It's actually going to only run $10 total. So I just got to change that to whatever your budget is. And it's going to track conversions using my pixel. And that pixel is going to also, it's going to show my ad to people who like this group, people that are like that, similar to this. And it's also going to show people who have visited my website and fired the pixel that we use, which is the Pixel Caffeine. So it's more likely to be seen by people who've already seen my particular website, plus people like them. So we like to use the like audiences because that gets you more exposure to people that are similar to people that have already been to your site. So where I couldn't run that one because it's too many words, if you just make the word smaller and have it take up less than 25% of your graphic, then that's fine. Now creating the graphics is another thing. We use a service called Canva. Let me show you that real quick. Now Canva is a free service, or you can get it paid, depends what you want to do, that will let you do graphics online. You don't need to get Photoshop or anything. It's really easy to use. Let's say we want to create a design. I'm going to click create a design, Facebook app ad. So we're going to go ahead and run that because that gives you the correct size. And then you can search for a background image and you can search for anything you want. You can upload things. You can buy whatever you want. But let's just say if it's just going to grab an image. This is not necessarily one that I would use, just a demo. And then maybe what you'd go in here is say, you change the words. Great leads. Okay, and you just got to learn how to use the app itself. It's really easy to do. It's kind of drag and drop. seasonal prices. Get my leads for your business today. Make more money. Generate more customers. Something like that. And put your domain name here. You probably want to spend a little bit more time than I'm doing. Make sure it all looks good. Change the color of the background. You see what this is kind of relying on this object in the background to make the font stand out. So what I probably want to do with that is stretch it out so it's big enough. Of course, this will be whatever your domain name is. And you can use, make sure you don't make any typos. And when you run your ads, what you want to do is you just literally take that and you upload it to your page. And at the top of the page, you put your ad copy and a link. And it really, you know, you can come up with better images than this. Do any image you want. Do not say about making money or getting rich or none of that stuff. Just leave it, you know, leads. People who are in the business know what leads are. You can simply download that. And if I wanted to remove, I guess it's if I want to remove the watermark, which I don't care about, I just download it. Now, if you want to get Canva Pro, it's entirely up to you. I don't care. I don't use it. I run my ads and I use either Canva or I use Spark Post. I pay for Spark Post $10 a month because I can post right to groups from it. This is just one of the options I use, and I like it a lot. It's very simple to use. You can also upload your own graphics if you have your own graphics you want to do. Instead of using one of theirs, you can hit on this upload link. You can see I've uploaded all these different graphics before. So great tool, very inexpensive to use, and it's a great way to put your ads together.